A very warm welcome, traders. I am Himalay Bhatia and I am here to give you a quick market update at 1:35 p.m. And let's first talk about the trades that Devang had given you around 11 a.m. today. So he had given a long on ITC as well as Kotak. The targets have been achieved. So what I we have asked all the clients is to book their profits and do not hold it further. If you haven't already booked your profits, make sure you exit at cost to cost right now. We had also given this alert on our YouTube community, so make sure you hit the bell icon that you do not miss any update. Let's talk about the trade that I had given you yesterday on Bank Nifty. I had asked you all to short below 25,500. The first target has been achieved of 25,250. If the conservative players can book their profits over here, the risk seekers can hold their positions over here with a second target of 25,000. But make sure you hedge your positions because now the counting in the US has been started for the presidential elections, and there will be extreme movements in the market. The markets will become very volatile. The next trade that I would like to give you at this hour is your Kotak Mahindra Bank. Yes, that's right. Now, over here, what I will ask you all to do is to take a short position, but this trade is only and only for risk seekers in the market. The reason being, on the day chart, we can clearly see a strong negative divergence and a doji has been created. So the risk seekers can take a position today. However, the conservative players can take a position tomorrow. So we will talk about the conservative players in our today's session of the TFA talks. But right now, I have personally taken a position of 1560 PE November expiry for Kotak Mahindra Bank. All right. Please take a disclaimer over here that these all are for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisors before taking any trades. I hope this benefit you. Make sure to hit the like button, share your profit screenshots with us on our Instagram, that is at the financial analyst. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment down in the comment section below. Have a good day. I hope to see you all in the evening. Bye bye.